Elijah and the Prophets of Baal. 1 Kings chapter 18. One man stood alone on a mountain against 450 prophets of Baal. No army, no backup, just faith, a broken altar, and a prayer. And when he prayed, fire fell from heaven. Welcome back to my Bible Stories Alive. Israel had turned away from God. The people had started worshiping Baal, a false god of storms and fertility. King Ahab and Queen Jezebel led them astray, and prophets of the Lord were hunted and killed. But Elijah stood firm. He went before Ahab and said, "Gather all Israel to Mount Carmel. Bring the prophets of Baal. Today, we'll see whose God is real." The people gathered thousands strong, watching, whispering, waiting. Elijah stood before them and declared, "How long will you waver between two opinions? If the Lord is God, follow him. If Baal is God, follow him." Then the challenge began. 2 bowls, 2 altars. Call on your God, Elijah said, "and I'll call on mine. The God who answers by fire, he is God, from morning till noon." The prophets of Baal shouted, "O Baal, answer us." They danced, they cut themselves, they cried louder, but the sky stayed silent. At noon, Elijah laughed. "Maybe your God is asleep, or traveling." They shouted even louder, but nothing happened. Then Elijah stepped forward. He rebuilt the broken altar of the Lord with 12 stones, one for each tribe of Israel. He placed the wood, the sacrifice, and then did something shocking. He told them to pour water all over it. Once, twice, a third time. Water ran down, soaking the wood, filling the trench. Then Elijah prayed, "O Lord, God of Abraham, Isaac, and Israel, let it be known today that you are God in Israel, and that I am your servant." And instantly fire fell from heaven. It consumed the sacrifice, the wood, the stones, even the water in the trench. The people fell on their faces and cried, "The Lord, he is God. Oh, the Lord, he is God." When faith meets obedience, God answers by fire. You may feel outnumbered. The odds may look impossible. But if you stand on truth, even when you stand alone, heaven stands with you. The altar you rebuild in faith may just become the fire that turns a nation's heart back to God. Share this video to light someone's face again. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more powerful stories of courage and miracles.